Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we'll look at a small issue that many users run into: how to quickly return to the EasyEDA homepage from the editor. When you open the schematic or PCB editor, the interface focuses on your current design file. At this point, many users may not know how to get back to the EasyEDA homepage or the project list. But the solution is actually very simple. In the top left corner of the editor, you'll see the File menu. Click on File, and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, find the Close All option and click it. Once you click Close All, all the open editor windows will be closed, and the system will automatically take you back to the EasyEDA homepage. From there, you can select another project, open a different design, or create a new one. This method closes all open schematic and PCB files, and it's the fastest and most direct way to return to the homepage. If you only want to close the current file, you can close just that tab. But if your goal is to return to the homepage, using Close All is more efficient. Alright, that's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.